welcome to our Move unboxing and assembly video. Move comes in a cardboard box consisting of two parts sliding onto each other. In order to begin the unboxing, prepare some space and lay the box down flat. Then carefully slide off the top lid. The box with the scanner, if a scanner was ordered, is placed here on the top side of the insert. All documents related to Move and the manual are also here. Now take it out of the insert and then remove the insert from the box. To safely assemble the Move, pull down the box wall next to the base. When unfolded, the assembly instructions can be found here. Please follow the assembly instructions. Now you have easy access to the Move, which is delivered in two parts: the main body with touchpad screen and so-called backpack, and the base with wheels placed over it. Apart from this, in the box set you will also find the power cable, Ethernet cable, spare fuses, and Torx 6 and 8 screwdrivers. When the box is unfolded, you can find easy access to the power cable socket as well as the Ethernet cable socket. Both cables can now be connected. If you plan to connect the Move via Wi-Fi, only the power cable will be connected. Once the cables are connected, both Move parts need to be assembled. For assembly, use the provided hex key and bolt included in the set. Take the base out of the box. There's a special hole on the foot that is prepared to accommodate the pin based on the base. It is done to make sure that both parts can be assembled only in one way. When the parts are together, use the provided bolt to join it with the main body. First, fasten that manually and then tighten it using the hex key. Please make sure that you do not over-tighten the screw. When the foot is attached, you can lift the main body of the Move. When done, the Move is ready to be put on wheels. Just lift it out of the box by holding it with two hands. One above the screen holding both parts of the arm. One below the screen or touchpad. Keep the box in a safe place for transportation purposes. Now you can unbox and place the TRIOS scanner in the holder. You can use both versions of TRIOS 3 scanner. In the case of a wireless scanner, the Wi-Fi dongle will be placed in the backpack or the main body beforehand with the licensed dongle. If you use TRIOS 3 scanner with a cable, connect it to the LEMO slot at the back of the screen. The device is now ready to be used. We hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.